What's up, everybody? It's me, Craw. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about Lubing mechanical keyboard switches. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If it's a return trip, thanks for coming back. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let me know you're getting value out of these videos so I know what direction to go with next. The nitty-gritty of Lubing switches. Let's get into it. First things first, you're going to need a switch opener. I got this one on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can find one of your own. You're going to need some tweezers. I don't know the official name of this. It's a stem grabber. Also from Amazon. I'll leave a link to that. A small paintbrush. Probably any art supply store. Pick one up. And some lube. I'll be using some Krytox 205G0 that I picked up from Novelkeys. Some people prefer Trebosis, Super Lube. There's a lot of choices. Find the one that works best for you. We'll be lubing this holy panda today. So let's get it open. Set it right on top of the switch opener. Press straight down. Lift up. Now you got all the parts. Set it back on the switch opener. Makes it a little easier to handle. Get right into it. First things first, less is more when it comes to lubing switches. It doesn't take much. Just a tiny bit on the brush. And what we want to focus on are these two rails on the bottom housing. Then around this post where the spring sits, a little bit in the post, a little dab on the leaves, and that's the bottom housing. Next would be the spring. Grab it in your tweezers. I also bag lube springs. You can throw them all in a Ziploc bag if you do a whole build at once. Throw them in there with a little lube and give it the shake and bake. Save yourself quite a bit of time. All that's really necessary on the spring is to get the ends. So we'll get the first end so we don't have to touch it and make a mess. Drop it on there. And the other end. Grab this little stem holder guy. Get your stem there. A little bit more lube. Like I said, less is more. You don't need much. Want to focus on these side rails. Other side rail. Across the back. Across the front. On a linear, you can hit these little legs. Some people hit them on tactiles too. It's all personal preference. You lose a little bit of tactility, but you'll gain a little bit of smoothness. So do what works for you. Then get this stem in here. Face the legs towards the leaf. Drop that guy off. Top housing doesn't need anything. If you really wanted to, you could lube this face. Got a little extra lube. That's pretty much it. Drop it all back together. Snap back together, make sure it's good. Successfully lubed the switch. Only 60 to 100 to go and you'll have a whole keyboard. I would suggest playing your favorite tunes, relaxing. Large groups of them are semi-time consuming, but I will say that once you start lubing your switches and using your keyboard in that method, it's really hard to turn back. I don't think any of my keyboards have unlubed switches at this point. There you have it. Lubing mechanical switches. Easy peasy. Not too challenging. Makes a world of difference. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.